Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today's video is about a hot and cold water mixer bidet, also known as a bum washer. Bidet origin is from France. The T is silent. It's a fact that Indians have always been known to use water in completing the toilet/bathroom business, as opposed to the toilet paper of the West. Of course, water is also commonly used in the Middle Eastern and a few other South Asian countries. The bidet connection, whether a fixed one or a handheld one, is simple in countries where the water does not freeze in winters. Here in North America, bidets are now becoming popular in the bathrooms, with many using a simple cold water connection. But the hot and cold connection bidets are also now easily available. Here in this video, I'll be showing the installation of such a hot and cold mixer bidet connection in our old basement bathroom. As mentioned earlier in this video, this is an older toilet built sometime in the mid-60s. And the toilet actually is not too far from the cabinet here, so that's an advantage. So let us open this cabinet and take a look inside. So inside on the left side, I have used the T-joint. This is the T supplied T connected to the hot water pipe, and this is the hose that came with the kit for the hot water connection, and that is taken here. And I have drilled a hole and to take this hot water connection. That hot water hose comes out here, and then that joins the mixer. This is the supplied mixer, and this is just connected to the flush tank. As you can see here, it is just connected to the flush tank, and this has a hot water input. And then the cold water connection, which normally comes from the further flush tank, that gets diverted to this one, and in turn this gets connected here. And then at the back we have the bidet connection, which comes out to this one, and I have just installed the bidet connection here directly instead of in fact the provision is to hang it here using this. This is how it is supplied. The holder for the bidet connection, this is how it looks. All you have to do is, if you do not want to, just put it here hanging from the flush tank. In my case, what I have done is I have just removed these two screws here, the two screws, and then even the other screws that go into the wood, those are also supplied in the kit. So after removing this bracket, I just installed it directly here. And this is how it looks. Pretty simple, good quality. It's a good quality one. And the disclaimer is I received this kit free from Amazon. In some versions, you can actually increase and decrease the pressure by rotating the front portion of the bidet. But in this model, this is fixed, and you can control the pressure using this, like so. And I have another one where you can actually control it here, the jet, using the front portion of this, the nozzle of the bidet.